Brics, the scientific and technical cooperation, is making a contribution to overcoming the global digital divide, development of artificial intelligence and new advanced technologies. I would like to draw your attention to the Russian proposal on establishment of a Brics alliance in the field of artificial intelligence. It aims at regulating artificial intelligence technologies, in particular in order to prevent their unlawful use. In Russia, the business community has adopted a code of ethics in this field. Our Brics partners and other countries are welcome to join it.
China has recently launched a China Brics Artificial Intelligence Development and Cooperation Center. We are ready to deepen cooperation on innovation with all Brics countries to unleash the dividends of AI development.
Enhancing cooperation in the development of artificial intelligence is also essential. I strongly support the proposal made both by President Putin and President Xi on this matter.